Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Capricorn and what's going on? What's going on, Capricorn? Your card, and it's your reading. Capricorn under the deck and the Hermit. I think right now you're in separation with your person, or for some you're in no contact. The Devil. Maybe you're obsessed with them. One person in this connection may be addicted to bad habits. Yes, the person involved in this connection could be another Capricorn also. Yes, you are undergoing some transformation, spiritual awakening. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 3 of Cups, 10 of Wands and 5 of Pentacles. Third party situation involved in this connection, guys, because 3 of Cups with 5 of Pentacles. So maybe they are treating you as an option, choice. They are not treating you well and they are not available to you when you want emotionally. And 10 of Wands, it becoming like hard work for you because you only the person taking responsibility of the relationship. So it is becoming overburden for you because you have to take the whole responsibility. So that's why it is becoming more stressful to you. So that was past. Then present, 10 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords. So you are feeling stuck. So this is becoming more stress to you because 10 of Swords. And in relationship wise also they are not treating you well. Then you feeling stuck. You are not feeling well. And 9 of Pentacles energy. So you decided to work on yourself, especially on your abundance and finances. 9 of Pentacles energy. You want to stand by your power. No matter what. You want to be stand by your power emotionally and financially also. So you started again in your life. New beginnings. Yes, you started new beginnings, especially in career wise. But you're still waiting on them. Future energy, 7 of Pentacles, King of Wands and Knight of Swords. Yes, you achieved your balance. You are taking your control back. King of Wands energy is here. Now you're totally in your control. But you're still waiting on them. You still want rebirth in this connection, Capricorn. Yes, someone is rushing to communicate with you. Knight of Swords energy. They are in so much rush. I think here the commitment issues between you and your person. Knights always come and go. There is no commitment. So that's why the issues had happened between both of you. Knight of Swords. But someone want to communicate with you. The person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very less water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, 8 of Pentacles. So Capricorn, let's see your person feelings. Their feelings. I think your person maybe walked away from this connection. They are at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they are very indecisive to make a decision right now. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see their actions also. Then I will explain their intentions. Hermit. I think your person also undergoing some spiritual process. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo, Earth sign, and Five of Pentacles. They're missing you. I think communication is coming. Definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to, yes, they want to fix the things between both of you, but they have to make decision before they communicate with you, because Two of Swords energy right now, your person is at some crossroads. They have to make decision. And Six of Swords, definitely they want to fix the things between both of you through communication. And Eight of Cups, I think they want to leave behind everything, that issues and disturbances between both of you. They want to communicate with you. They want to take a step forward, leaving behind everything which had happened between both of you, like issues, fightings, whatever. And intentions, Queen of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. Your person is very independent emotionally and financially also. So Queen of Wands with Ace of Swords, they want to take action. They want to communicate with you. They want to say some truth with you. They want to be honest with, I think they want to say some truth. Yes, there is communication is coming with clarity. Ace of Swords mean new beginnings also. Maybe they want to fix the things between both of you and they want new beginnings. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think your person, right now they're undergoing some spiritual awakening and they're missing you. They're feeling bored without you. King of Swords, but communication is coming right now. Maybe your person thinking through the logical mind. Yes, because Queen of Wands is again some aggressive in nature. Definitely they're coming back with some communication which is very rash, could be, because or very straightforwarded. It could be hurt. The communication sometimes will hurt other person also. That type of communication may be straightforwarded and saying on face. So let's see. But right now your person thinking through their logical mind. Yes, communication is coming and one person is younger than other person in this connection. Could be Six of Pentacles with the Strength. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, but you want equal give and take, Capricorn. And the Strength, now you are taking your control back totally. You are okay with or with this person, and the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. The Strength card is here. So you are working on yourself, especially self growth. Wow, you are taking your control back. That energy is very, very beautiful. Wow, some decision making. I think again Capricorn, you both are obsessed with each other and you both are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship. Yes, in future after communication, under the deck a new start is coming for some. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Capricorn. Don't let your past hold you back. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn again. What a coincidence. So definitely the end of a tough cycle approaches, especially when full moon in Capricorn. And don't let your don't let your past hold you back. So if you have any past issues, release them completely. Do meditation, heal yourself completely. Don't let your past hold back. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.